Have you ever wondered why many people prefer investing in equity over other investments? Of course, there are opportunities to gain more returns. However, there are more. When you invest in stocks, you're not just watching numbers on a screen. You're actively participating in the growth of companies. And along with that participation comes a whole host of benefits that go beyond just capital appreciation. Let me explain some of the key perks. Perk number 1, dividends. Some companies share their profits with shareholders in the form of regular cash payments called dividends. It's like a reward for holding on to the stock. For example, if a company issues a 5 rupee per share dividend, and if you own 1000 shares of the same, you get 5000 rupees. And the best part, sometimes dividends can even become a steady source of income upon doing a strategic investment. Perk number 2, bonuses. Companies sometimes issue bonus shares to their shareholders. These are additional shares given to you for free, usually when a company has extra profits or reserves. If a company issues bonus shares of 1:10, and let's say you have 100 shares of the same, you will get 10 shares in addition without investing money. Good, isn't it? There's more. Perk number 3, right issue. This is when companies offer existing shareholders the right to buy additional shares, often at a discount. When a company wants to distribute their owner rights to their needs, it issues DVR shares at discounted prices. Stock splits. Other perks include stock splits, where companies divide their shares, making them more affordable for new investors to buy. This isn't a straight benefit. However, in the long term, the amount of shares you hold on over a company will matter when the price gets higher. Share buybacks. This is where companies purchase their own shares from the market for a higher price to reduce the supply and often to boost the price of existing shares. Now, we know what you're thinking. How do I choose which stock to invest in? It can be overwhelming, but don't worry. At Funds India, we are here to guide you. We offer a free dedicated investment coach who will provide you with the research-backed stock insights and recommendations to make your investing journey smooth and successful. So while your returns grow, you can enjoy all these benefits without any hassle. Keep investing smartly and stay informed, and let us help you achieve your financial goals. Don't forget to follow us for more insights and tips on growing your wealth. If you haven't already done so, make sure to sign up with Funds India to access your dedicated investment coach. Until next time, happy investing. Visit www.fundsindia.com.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing. Securities quoted here are exemplary, not recommendatory. Please consult your financial advisor before investing.